Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to edit videos for Instagram. So if you want to edit your videos of the Instagram in a professional way, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, this video is for the smartphone users. You are using iPhone or the Android, you can follow these steps. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store or Apple Store. You have to search for the CapCut. So once you will search for it, you can simply download this application in your phone. Once you will do it, after that you can simply open this application, click on the new project, select any video, click on the next. Okay, once you will do it, as you can see, here is my old video. You can simply tap on this clip and you can cut video from here like this. If you don't want this part, simply I don't want this part in my video, I simply click on the delete. If you want to add text, you can get this feature in it. You can also auto caption your lyrics. Click right here and multi option will appear here. One additional thing is that when you render this video or export this video in your phone, you will get no watermark on the video. So this is the plus point to use this editor. You just have to click on the end and click on the delete, and on the right top you will see arrow, so you can export it from here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.